Hey there, are you looking to boost your sales using online platforms? This week I've got some incredible insights into how to get sales from Craigslist to help you reach more customers and increase your revenue. Craigslist is often overlooked as a sales channel, but it's a powerful tool for local and national marketing. Whether you're selling products or services, understanding how to maximize Craigslist can make a big difference in your business. In this guide, I'll walk you through actionable steps and best practices to effectively utilize Craigslist for your sales strategy. Step 1. Craft compelling listings. The first impression is everything. When creating a listing on Craigslist, choose a clear and descriptive title. This should include relevant keywords that potential buyers might search for. In the description, provide as many details as possible. Include the features, benefits, and condition of your product or service. High-quality images can significantly boost interest. Aim for well-lit and clear photos that showcase your product from multiple angles. Remember, your goal is to stand out among numerous listings and draw people in with compelling content. Step 2. Utilize strategic pricing. Pricing can make or break a sale. Research similar listings to gauge the market rate for your product or service. Pricing competitively is crucial. Too high, and you might scare customers away. Too low, and you might undervalue what you're offering. Consider adding some flexibility by setting your price slightly higher to allow room for negotiation. This tactic often appeals to buyers who enjoy the bargaining process and can lead to quicker sales. Step 3. Optimize the timing. Timing your post appropriately can significantly impact the visibility and lifespan of your listing. Craigslist postings typically refresh every couple of days, so avoid posting at times when your listing might quickly get pushed down. Aim to post during peak times when people are more likely to browse online. Early evening and weekends tend to attract more traffic. Experiment with different times to identify what works best for your target market. Step 4. Engage safely with buyers. Safety should be a top priority when conducting transactions on Craigslist. Build trust by maintaining transparent and prompt communication. Use Craigslist email's relay feature to keep your personal information private and avoid sharing unnecessary contact details. When meeting buyers in person, choose a public location and consider bringing a friend along. For transactions involving significant amounts of money or valuable products, consider using secure payment methods like PayPal or similar services. Step 5. Leverage multiple listings. If you have multiple items or services to sell, diversify your efforts by creating several listings. Each product deserves its spotlight. Design unique listings for each item to target the appropriate audience without cluttering or confusing potential buyers. This strategy can attract more views and lead to multiple sales. Craigslist is a treasure trove for sellers looking to increase their reach and boost sales. By crafting compelling listings, strategically pricing your products, optimizing the timing of your posts, and engaging with buyers safely, you can effectively harness Craigslist's potential. Don't be afraid to experiment with your approach and adapt based on feedback and results. Keep these tips in mind as you navigate the world of online selling. With patience and attention to detail, you'll be on your way to transforming Craigslist into a valuable revenue stream for your business. Happy selling!